I am back at Burbank, my friends. Today I've basically been doing Burbank runs, and because it's dark, we're just gonna keep my face off. Okay, so 16 out of 20, but let me show you what's going on with Burbank right now. I believe it's packed, so I want to show you guys a couple of things. One, when this is at 21 out of 25 and this is full at Burbank, this basically means there's no place to park in the parking lot. That means every nook and cranny at this location, at the queue for the Burbank airport or Burbank airport queue is full, right? There's nowhere to park. I'm telling you, there's nowhere to park. Now this is real time. In real time, the full is here and here, right? And this is what, 16 out of 20. But if you look over here, it is showing something different, 21 out of 25. And my point is this. Now pay attention to this. Look, the time is 8 o'clock. There's a little bit of flights coming in, so this might be the last one. This might be my last opportunity to cherry pick. Another cool thing is I literally saw 5 cars leave right now, and that's my way of gauging to know what's going on at the airport. So there are flights coming in. I shouldn't be here too long, but I'll keep pausing and unpausing while I'm responding to or working on my YouTube channel in the background, mainly responding to comments. Man, this is fun. Every time I come back on both of my channels, there's always comments. Look, 3 more comments in one hour, right? And I love it. I love it. I am so grateful. Let's see what the queue looks like in the back. Oh, there you go. It is moving, which is nice. So basically, we're going to go between Uber, and when I get a ride, hopefully it pops up. You'll be able to see it, as well as just kind of me working in the background and letting you guys know not to waste any time. Okay, this feels good. I have responded to all the new comments on one channel. Now I'm going to catch up on everything I'm behind on. And look at that. Okay, 1 day ago, that's not bad. That's a new comment. But this is 2 weeks I'm behind on all of this. And I'm going to keep going. Like, yeah, this goes forever, guys. But I want to get it all caught up. I don't know how far behind I am, but I will get it caught up. And there's some shady trolls down there, but it's all good. Let's see what Uber's showing right now. Woo! Okay, comfort is moving. That's the biggest observation I've made here, my friends. I hope I post this video. Uber Comfort moves fast. People prefer Comfort over UberX over here. I don't understand why, but at this airport, Uber Comfort moves way faster than the other two. Here's some great comments that I'm responding to over here. This Alex guy who's talking about paganism. I'm Norse pagan. In the book, we actually have openly speak about different beings in different realms. The more I listen to Billy Carson, the more my religion makes sense. And he was talking about Islam and going into Islam, which is kind of cool. All right, let's see what's going on back here. Woo! My turn's coming up in Uber XL. Oh, that's going to be nice. I'm actually going to get paid for Uber XL. Oh my God, that's a blessing. All right, this is cool. So my turn's coming up. Some flight probably landed. If it's short, I'll come right back. I think there's flights coming in till around 9:30. If I get a long ride, then it might be hallelujah. Let's see what happens. That's the first one it offered. This is a short one. I've done too many short ones today. It's going to take 30 minutes to come back. But because I'm up on Uber XL, if you look over here, my turn's coming up here. That's more important to me. I'll pass on Comfort and go to the end of the queue if I have to. Because Uber XL just pays more. Let's see what it shows over here. So over here, it's showing Uber X is low, but Uber X is full and Comfort is full, but XL is showing 11 out of 15. That means I should be able to nail Uber XL today. So now I'm not going to take anything other than Uber XL, and if it's short, I'll come back. If it's long, it's payday. That's the second short one. Nope, put me at the end. Sure, no problem. No problem. Uber, no problem. You know what? Look, Uber, I got a backup plan. I'm literally responding to everyone in the background. This is why we can be patient. That's the third short one. Go ahead. I'm gonna let others take it. I'm waiting for Uber XL because I'll get paid more, way more than that. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Get out of here. Put me at the end. Put me at the end, fool. Put me at the end of the queue. Come on, I want to be put at the end of the queue. No? Okay, we're going to go back to responding. No, my friend. What? Business comfort means what? I'm going to go? Hell no. Let the other people take it. Oh, thank you. I was asking to be put in the back of the queue. Now show me how bad is the queue. How bad is the queue, bro? Come on. Show me, Uber. Hurry up. 1 out of 5. Come on. Is it full? Because when the queue for comfort pops up, there it is. 41. Okay, it's not full. That is good. All right. I'm going to wait for Uber XL. As long as Uber XL is open, I'm not taking anything less than $25, $30. Back to editing comments and responding to people. Now I have to actually fix my grammar over here. Okay, I responded. Oh, you taking me to Los Angeles on Uber X while Uber XL is available? That's not bad. That's not bad. Tesla Ave. Where's Tesla Ave? $21, $482. But I won't be able to come back here. Once I'm in LA, then I'm in LA. I have to think. Oh man, you didn't give me a chance. I hate it when it goes that fast. Okay, look how fast the comfort went. Right now, it was another 10 people on comfort went. That means everybody that's sitting back here is taking all these little rides. And I'll tell you why I'm waiting patiently. Look, if you look over here, at 9 o'clock, there's still flights coming in till 9:30. That means I have an hour to cherry pick. And my goal, if you look over here, I just need to make another $18 and I'll hit what I want. Ultimately, what I want to do is I want to be able to get a big ride out of here, then do another little one and then call it a day and end up at $200 and possibly $500 for the week. My friends, this is exactly what I do every single day. I keep responding to people like this. Make sure this one is done. Yeah, I keep responding to people, keep working on my YouTube channel. This way I don't have to worry about whatever Uber wants to do. Uber can keep dicking everybody else around, but for me, no problem. We're going to keep working. There it is, Uber XL. To go that way, Universal City, sure. I will take Uber XL because less mileage and Michael, all right, fair enough. All right guys, this video is over. This is basically my take on Uber and waiting, and I'll upload it in a little bit.